Alright, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? Don't mind my finger. I broke this whole nail on a post, a big metal post. I jammed it and it all lifted to like here and I had to repair it. And then I covered it in foil real fast and I didn't cap it properly. That's what happens when you don't cap your foil properly. See? Bad. Anyways, I've got some mail. So, I'm trying to do this video for a couple of days. But today is like the only day I can do it. Okay, so first I have an order from VENALISA because I love them. And I already know it's in this one because I literally had to go and strategically order because I was running out of certain colors. And I went on their site there that I order from on Aliexpress. I will leave the link to that below. And I got myself 3 black gel, 3 white gel because that is what I use the most of. I was short on this 1611, running low on 1614, also 1612. And 1601 and 1602, like popular colors that I use. And then I was scouring and came across this because I'm always looking for something to keep gems on. So I got this. This is, they call it their nail glue. There's 15 milliliters in here. It's a UV LED gel. It's a very large pot, very large. And like the other ones, comes with the protective seal. I will review this in another art video. And I also got this because I am in search of like the best matte top coat I can find. So VENALISA offers these, oh my gosh, I need to get my X-Acto knife. Offers these large kind of like squeezy fill containers, I guess you could call it. Like you squeeze it into the jar. Quick filling container, there you go. So this is their matte top coat and a 30 ml squeezy bottle. I'll take a peek at this. There's a nice safety seal. There's a pop cap here. I love that they all come sealed. And I will also be reviewing this in a separate video because I want to compare this to the other matte top coats that I have. Because the other one, I don't know if it's like a batch problem or what, but it's just not going matte enough for my liking. So yeah, so I got these from these are from VENALISA. And I'll show you guys. They all come with that beautiful heat seal. And like I said, I will link the store in the description box down below. And also, this one I'm most excited for. It came kind of like messed up inside, but I don't think anything is injured. I forget which store this is from, but I will also link this store as well. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. I got 8 different. This one's strange in a large bag. These are different, like, I don't really know what you would call them. They're like little bundles of clusters that go together in a design. And I just wanted to grab a few because I had some ideas for some of them and I just thought they were really pretty in the picture. So we're going to go through these and I'm going to like dump them out in my little tray here so we can actually see what's in these. So this one is like a little brown one. I'm going to tip down and I'm going to zoom in. And they just come just a bunch of different things together. Like there's some beautiful crystal. Oh, beautiful crystals. There's my little pointy tool here. Here we go. There's like some flowers and crystals and little like marquee cat's eye things and these like, I don't know what you would call that, like a frosted gem. And there's these like horse eye crystals here. Some large, some small, and then there's like some itty bitty bitty teeny tiny ones in here. And they're just, you know, clusters that go together. I will link or put down at the bottom here how much each of these cost. Oh, there's even like little baguette. These ones here, these long rectangles are called baguettes. But yeah, like this is like a beautiful like satiny brown flower. Like, you know, just to make custom, you know, nail designs with. But I'll put, like I said, I'll put the link for this shop in the description bar below. And the names of what these are called in the shop in case anybody has a hard time finding them. All right, this one, ooh, this one's got some hearts in it. This one's kind of like pinky purple. Like some heart-shaped pearls. Ooh, this one's got a bit more color. Oh, this one has like red baguettes and some AB crystals. A bunch of these tiny little full pearls. They're very staticky. That's what I was gonna say. Have some light lavender flowers, some more of these little squares, some white pearl marquee, some like two-tone iridescent pink pearls in there. It's a nice little set. And they're all pretty like similar for what's in them, but they all are also very different as well. But these little pearls are very staticky, so they're most likely just plastic because that's what the plastic ones do. They usually get all staticky on the lids and then stick to your fingers and stuff. All right, mixed. And they did have quite a selection of these little kind of mixture things. This one is a light blue one. And again, there's like heart-shaped pearls in there. Let's see what's in here. Some more AB crystals, some dark blue baguettes, some powder blue, and then a little bit of a different tone. Or I'd say it's more like a silvery blue. Oops, sorry guys. Silvery blue, and then like a darker blue. And then there's some, I think it's, oh no, they're all dark blue baguettes. And then of course the pearls. Then there's some straight up like crystal clear horse eye, or I call them horse eye, the ones with the little peak backs. I guess that's what you call them, little peak backs. And there's some more AB crystals. Yeah, they're just, you know, I was just thinking like stuff for competition, things like that. Just some unusual things that I don't have on hand because I know, like, I've got a lot of flat-backed crystals, like your standard crystals. But, you know, I don't have anything quite like these. All right, I think this is another blue one. And the manufacturer numbers are odd. So this one's got some different stuff in it. It almost seems like a little more than the last one. Again, with the heart-shaped pearls. There are some crystal clear peak back crystal. Like there's no gold foil on the back, like say this one here. So these ones are clear. These ones are crystal AB, like this beautiful one here. Some lighter blue baguettes. These beautiful, like, they're like a cat's eye. You guys see that shift in there? And this little, like, stone. 4 of those. Some more light blue flower, like rose type things. And I don't know if you guys can see, but these kind of have like a tall inner circle. You could probably like mount something in that. You know what I mean? And then there's like pearls and then your regular crystals in there. Beautiful, like so gorgeous. Like my camera is not doing the sparkle in these like any justice at all. I wish I had like some beauty lighting so that I could show you guys how gorgeous these little stones are. All right, next I got another kind of, I just got kind of like your normal coloring with a couple of oddballs here and there. This one's another pink one. And I think I'm going to leave these as like, you know, groups in their little things here. So these ones have like the round ones, and these are like a baby pink cat's eye. There's like some really light pink baguettes. There's like a darker pink heart, or not heart, flower. Again, with the smaller AB crystals and some of the crystal clear pink back. These are more of a bigger heart, white pearl. Just like beautiful little clusters. And these pearls, these white ones are also, these white ones are also cat's eye. They're gorgeous, gorgeous sets. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, oh, another pink one. Ah. And they're all like packaged very differently. And yet they all come from the same company. Okay, this one, the flowers in this one are matte, whereas these ones are metallic. So this will be interesting. Okay, a lot of pearls in this one, a lot of iridescent pearls. It's not coming up on the camera, but some of these are like a light pink with an iridescent on them. Big silver stones, pearls, ooh, some very, very, very light pinky orange, like almost like a coral, baguette stones. We've got the cat's eye pearlescent little squares here, and these beautiful matte flower, but you can see it's kind of easier to see on the matte. See how it's kind of got that peak in the middle? You could probably put like a tiny stone in there. And then these beautiful iridescent pearls with it, like just a beautiful combination. All different sizes of the horse, or not the horse eye, the peak back crystals. This one's more like a lot of pearls versus like the other ones have more crystals. And I'm making a mess. But there's like little hints of pink in the pearls to kind of draw all that white together into the flowers. All right, there are 2 left. I got another one here. There's a, oh, I think this one's like a straight up like white and AB kind of style with these beautiful matte whitish gray flowers. A lot of AB crystal in here. And this one, it just seems like it's more full than the other ones. So yes, I was right. So crystal clear. This is kind of like a smoky colored baguette. The horse eye rounds. Let's see if I can. More of the crystal AB. These are so gorgeous. These, I love these kind of pearls here where they kind of have that shift. And then these matte white roses. I just think these are all so beautiful. And I love these full pearls, like for clusters. They're gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm trying not to make a mess with these. But yeah, this one seems like it has significantly more in it compared to the other ones. Like if I put that next to those, you guys can see how that has like a bit more. Maybe, possibly. All right, and last one. This one's in like this huge bag for some reason. I guess they didn't have a sticker or something like that. All right, so this one's got some green tones in it, which I thought was very interesting. So more marquee in here, and it's got like this very posh emerald metallic flower. These crystally clear ones, it's hard to see. I'm gonna grab one out and place it on my hand. You can kind of see how it's a little green. Just slightly with a hint of green. And the crystal clear ones here. And again, same with the others. Like it's got the baguettes and the pearls and a couple of hearts. And they're just, oh my gosh. I can't wait to use these. Beautiful. Look at them sparkle. All right. Anywho's, I hope you guys enjoyed that little mail haul. I actually had enough to do a decent video. But yes. Click, comment, like, subscribe. Like up this video. Subscribe. Share with your friends. I'm gonna do these, test them out in a separate video just because, you know, crystals, glue. Yes. And this too. I hope this turns out really, really matte and satin. That's what I'm hoping. But you guys can follow me on Instagram at bc_jazzy_time. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter at nailsby. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and get to another video, guys. So I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.